News 3 coverage of the winter weather continues with more on what's being done to prepare for the storm, especially on our area highways.
Yes, indeed, because we all know what a challenge driving can be when ice and snow accumulate in the Mid-South. WRG's Mike Sirianni is live with more on what agencies like TDOT are saying about their preparations. Mike, what do you know?
Hey, good afternoon, Greg and Stephanie. Yeah, we are all watching closely on this storm that's headed our way and making plans on how we're going to cope with it. Now, as far as the roads go, Memphis Public Works crews will begin pre-treating designated routes on January 22nd and 23rd. Now, today I talked with TDOT about their plans.
They're calling for a little rain on Wednesday, so we're going to kind of monitor that and do some of our pre-treating and after the rain has come in. So we'll likely start pre-treating on Thursday, those interstates and those major state routes in the West Tennessee area.
Nicole Lawrence, Region 4 Communications Officer with TDOT, telling your news leader Tuesday that TDOT is already planning on how to handle this weekend's forecasted winter event. TDOT in West Tennessee is responsible for about 10,000 lane miles in its 21-county coverage. If there is snow accumulation, crews will respond in force.
That means we'll begin salting and pushing any accumulation off the roadway. That's the goal. Safety is our top priority, so our goal is to get any kind of accumulation pushed off of the highway.
Lawrence says TDOT works with the city of Memphis to assist during storms like the one expected.
So we work together and make sure that, we are coordinating efforts or our timelines of when we're, hitting spots in front of hospitals or the exits to the hospitals there in the Memphis area.
The threat of snow, not a big deal to this Memphis couple.
I lived in the snow belt for a long time, and I can enjoy snow from the inside of my house. And I don't want to shovel it ever again. But, a little bit of snow is always a pleasant thing.
But Nicole Lawrence urging motorists, if they must get out, to use extreme caution.
Please give yourself plenty of space, plan ahead. Don't crowd workers when you see them out there working, our plow trucks specifically. And just, take your time and use extra care if you have to be out.
Hey, back out live. You know what? If you don't have the WREG weather app now, can't think of a better time for you to download it because you'll be able to keep up with the very latest on this approaching weather system. Reporting live for your news leader, Mike Sirianni, WREG News Channel 3.